Alright, here we are, Big Al Repairs. What we're fixing today, we're replacing the serpentine belts on a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the LX version, four-wheel drive, but I'm sure they're all the same. I believe it's 2001 to 2004 will have the same belt setup. Really easy, you just have two bolts you have to loosen. You get a 14 millimeter and you go on this bolt right here. This is for the smaller belt, and you'll just loosen it enough to where you can then move this tensioner pulley, which is different than what you're going to see in other cars, but it just moves up and down. So once you loosen that, it allows this belt to move, the pulley to move up and down. And then I'm going to have the phone pass down here so I can see, so I can show you what the other bolt is that we need to loosen. So we'll go ahead and loosen that bolt right here. Should be good there. You want to make sure when you're pulling off the belts, you notice which pulleys they're on. So you gotta see here the big belt, which it wraps around and comes around this one. And you just want to make sure you take notes. So either take a video or take a picture of the belt before you take it off. That way when you're putting it back on, you know exactly which way it wraps around. Okay, so here we are now on the bottom below the car. And this is the bolt that we just loosened right here on this pulley right there, and then this is the other bolt right here, the one we're looking at right here. So this one just allows you to fine tune to move the pulley up and down. So once you loosen that, and I'll go ahead and do that, it then allows you to reach just right up under here. You'll be able to slip the belt off. You'll slip it all the way off. Okay, so then we're looking at the other side, the bigger belt of the two. And I just got the belts on, the replacement belts on Amazon. It cost me about $20 for both of them. So on the other side here, we've got the big fan that you're going to see. I don't know if all models have it, but and then right behind it, you're going to see the other pulley. You'll just loosen that one. That should bring it down. And then we'll come back below like we were before, just on the other side. There's another bolt we're going to loosen down here. So I'll go ahead and do that, and that'll allow us to pull off the other pulley.
Oh, yeah, it's getting looser.
Alright, so here we are back on the bottom again, and just to describe what we're looking at, I've got a 13 millimeter bolt right here. So this is the one on the bottom that we're just loosening, and that allows the pulley to move up and down so that you're able to pull off the belt once it gets loosened. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen that. Once we get that loosened, we'll be able to pull off the belt. So as you see on the small belt, it's just wrapping around under this one through the tensioner right here, and then back behind the crankshaft, which is right here. So as you see, it just wraps and then comes up around, back under through the pulley right here, and then back around this one. So it's only wrapped around the two, as you can tell there.
It goes all the way down those two, and then it goes up around the pulley.
So it goes around that one. So it goes up and around that this way. Oh, so yeah, that's pretty easy.
Yeah. Get it around the fan.
How do you do that?
Just pull it. I've got it over the top. Now just pull it through. It's just got to go around the blades and through. might have to loosen a little bit more. That lip. Close. Make it easy though. Remember which
Is
way?
that getting tighter or looser?
Seems like it's getting looser. Yeah, keep going. Yep, there you go. Keep going. Getting close. Now let's get that up on there. Okay, are we good?
Yep. We're on, right?
Yep, we're on now. Now, guess we just get it nice and tight. We gotta make sure we tighten up that.
All right, so we got the belt back on, as you can see right here. So all I'm doing right now is just tightening back up this bolt that you see there. It's right below the pulley, so we're just tightening this back up to add tension to the belt. And then once we get the tension back up to where we want it, then we're just going to retighten up the bolt there in front. And then we'll do the same on the other side. It's hard to tighten. It's like the tension of the bolt is not like, so you have to like do it by hand because the bolt's like loose. There we go, guys, back in business.
How's it feeling?
You tell
How's the
me.
tension? I mean, that's still pretty loose.
Alright, so when you're installing the bigger of the two belts, you're going to need to go around. You'll see this big fan here. And we recall when we take it off, you just got to go around it. So you just kind of maneuver it around the fan blade, and then you turn it, it'll wrap itself around.
Can you get it around that blade? That last, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's got to go up and around this. Yeah, there you go.
Tightening rod.
Let's get it up there.
Wait, you got to get around this big one.
So,
Now go ahead and pull it up. Gotta go up.
yeah. So let's get it around this thing,
There you go.
and then up and. Now it's got to go. Now let me hang on a second. Let me make sure it doesn't
You
slip.
on?
I'm on. Yep, I'm on both of them. Now if you can just wrap it around there, is it too tight?
Yeah, I'm not loosening it. Where's it at?
Keep it from sliding. Oh, there you go.
Even tighter, right?
What's that? Are you on?
Yep, we're on all of them, right?
Looks like it. Yeah, we're good.
Getting tighter, right?
Yep. Can you kind of see where it goes? Or how far up you need to tighten it? So it's getting tight, looking good.
I think we're good right there. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Now, just before, after you get the belts, don't get too excited and forget to tighten those two bolts in front that you have. So you were tightening this one right here, then you have the other one on the other side, just right here in front. Just make sure you don't leave those loose, or else you might be losing your belt. You get this other side?
Yeah, right here.
I got this one.
Okay.